Yeah, what is it this year? Is it the horse this year? The year of the horse? Someone tell me. Next up, here at the UAE SWAT Challenge, it is Rwanda RNP SWAT Team 2. Rwanda last year, Team 2, went round in 2 minutes and 2 seconds, so that's the time to beat for these boys. Their personal target, of course. The time to beat this year is 1:28.3 from Kazakhstan C. The best Rwanda team time last year was 1:55.9. That was the SWAT Team 1 from Rwanda. So Rwanda National Police Force, certainly the Team 2 anyway, they will be hoping to come in under that 2-minute mark. And they're away. Up and over those wooden walls. At the base of the wooden walls, you can probably not see it very clearly, but there are little wooden ridges, just enough to get a toe on, but not really a step. Looks good so far. No issues for the sniper. Oh, comfortably done. They're through the breaching door, they're into the submachine gun pen. What we're watching at the moment is the shotgun assaulter, 1 shotgun assaulter, 3 with submachine guns. The sniper, meanwhile, he stays to finish off his challenges, his targets. And a lot of support for Rwanda. You can probably hear the cheering from behind me. Sniper dragging the first of those deadweight dummies across the finish line. This looks a very good time, by the way. It's not going to beat Kazakhstan C, but it should still comfortably be under the 2-minute mark that they achieved last year. 3 more assaulters make the run for home. And they cross the line in 1:48.1 for SWAT Team 2 of the Rwandan National Police Force.
China Police Team 8, please proceed to preparation area.
Keep your comments coming. I'd love to hear from you, and if you've got questions as well. Arman says, has my South African brothers gone out yet? Yes, they have. You've missed the tackies. As we see the Defence Force of Rwanda go out now. The RNP of Rwanda, Team 2. They went out earlier, 1:48.1, so that was a quick time. I expect the Rwandan Defence Force to be quick as well. Let's see. Like I've said throughout the course of today, anything under 2 minutes is a very good time indeed. Anything under 1:50 is very, very good. Anything under 1:40 is wowzers. Rukundo Olivier shouting for Rwanda right now. They're out there at the moment, Rukundo. And of course, this being day one, you want a good start to the competition. Now, I think one of the assaulters has got stuck in the submachine gun pen. Oh! Get his feet, everything must be over the line. The second of the deadweight dummies is across the line, but they're still waiting for the final assaulter. Can he get over that line? They stop the clock at 2:09.07. Syria, of course, like I said earlier, making their debut this year. Here come the Rwandans. Up and over those wooden walls, which are approximately 9 feet. This sniper, as we've seen with a lot of the quick snipers, with the magazine out of his pocket, ready for as soon as he retrieves his rifle from the back of that black SUV. Oh, this looks quick. Let's have a look at how the assaulters are going round. Like I said, the floodlights are on, so it's a little bit different for these teams that are wrapping up this day one. They don't have the benefit of the daylight that the early runners had. Still doesn't seem to be causing any problems to Rwandan SWAT Team 1. Can they come in quicker than 1:48? That's the question that's going to be answered soon. The sniper is finished with the Texas Star. First of the assaulters into the pistol pen. This is starting to get a little bit exciting. Oh, they're dropping them nicely. One left to go. Oh, no. Oh, no. He must have stumbled. We just missed that. The deadweight dummy, as he took it off that box. Looks like there's going to be a 10-second penalty to be incurred for that. This is still a quick time, though, as we head into the 1:40s. Can they come home under 1:50? Rwanda SWAT Team 1 across the finish line, and they stop the clock in 1:50.7. So, not as quick as SWAT Team 2, who came home in 1:48, and as we saw, I think there may be a penalty to be added for the dropping of that dummy. It's small margins, very small margins.
Indonesia. Indonesia Group A, please proceed to the starting line. Indonesia.
Brimob A of Indonesia are next out.
Please proceed to the starting line.
The Brimob teams every single year, always strong runners, of course. Brimob B went round in 154.3. There's the Indonesian support. Always